I'm going to show you how to make a quick repair to a leaking SPG. What I find a lot of the time is when there's a lot of swiveling happening on the SPG, maybe if you're diving side mount a lot and there's a lot of bending happening on the hose, you can slowly start to get a small leak where the SPG meets the high pressure hose. It's going to be easier if we undo it from the first stage. So just going to take a couple of spanners and just start to remove the hose from the first stage. Now by using two spanners, we can lock off the HP side and take the other spanner onto the SPG itself. The SPG will unscrew anti-clockwise as you look down from the SPG back towards the first stage. Now we unscrew and the two will come apart. Now as you look inside, one end will have a small device that's called an air spool. It's a piece of metal with two small O-rings on each side. When there's a leak, it'll be a problem with the O-ring and the seal around the metal. So you can change the O-rings, take them off, put on some lightly greased O-ring. But what I'm going to show you is a brand new one. They cost around €1 to €2 each. And you can see the difference straight away. This one's already been prepared. It's already lubricated with an oxygen compatible grease. And then I just push it very gently into one side and you'll feel it locate into place. Now we're ready to put the SPG back on. Remembering that as you look down, the SPG will screw up clockwise, which means the hose will go on the opposite way. Take our two spanners now, one side to lock the hose. You can tighten it finger tight if you want it, but it's better to use the spanner to avoid stressing the glass. Just checking that carries on swiveling, and now we can reinstall into the first stage. And whenever you do these hoses, they've all got small O-rings on them, so you don't need to over tighten them, just enough to be airtight and so that they don't come undone. So just tease the end around with the spanner and not flattening the O-ring. So just a fraction more than finger tight. Now you have your low cost repair.